At Illinois Pulley and Gear, precision is refined through every stage of manufacturing. Our OD grinding capability allows us to achieve tight tolerances and superior surface finishes on critical external diameters. Using precision grinding equipment, we remove minimal material to ensure exact sizing, roundness, and concentricity. This level of accuracy is essential for power transmission components, where proper fit and alignment directly impact performance and reliability. OD grinding is often the final step in our process, bringing each component to its exact specification and ensuring consistency across production runs. Through controlled processes and attention to detail, Illinois Pulley and Gear delivers high-precision components built for performance, durability, and repeatability at scale. To learn more on our capabilities, please visit our website at IllinoisPulley&Gear.com.